The jacket of a cord for a dishwasher must be protected from both water and oil. Dishwashers are constantly exposed to water, therefore the cord must withstand being submerged in water without failing. Dishwashers also use oil to lubricate the moving parts, so the cord has to withstand being exposed to oil without damage. SJTW cord is an electrical cord type designed for dry locations. It is not rated for use in wet or oily environments, making it unsuitable for dishwashers. SJOOW cord is designed for wet and oily environments. It's rated for outdoor applications, so it can withstand rain, snow, and other elements. SJOOW cord is also resistant to oil and can be used with dishwashers without becoming damaged. If replacing a dishwasher cord, use SJOOW cord. SJTW cord is unsuitable because it's not rated for wet or oily environments. Consider firstly the environment where the cord will be used. Dishwashers present a dual challenge with both water and oil exposure. Secondly, look at the cord's jacket material. It must be capable of resisting degradation from these substances. Thirdly, check the cord's rating. This information is typically printed on the cord's jacket and will indicate whether it is suitable for wet, oily, or outdoor environments. Fourthly, ensure the cord meets all relevant safety standards. This may include underwriters' laboratories or other recognized testing laboratory certifications. Fifthly, inspect the cord regularly for any signs of damage, such as cracks, cuts, or abrasions. Replace the cord immediately if any damage is found. Sixthly, when installing the cord, follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and ensure all connections are properly made. Seventhly, avoid exposing the cord to excessive heat or direct sunlight, as this can accelerate the degradation of the jacket material. Eighthly, clean the cord regularly with a mild detergent and water to remove any accumulated dirt or oil. Ninthly, store the cord properly when not in use, avoiding sharp bends or kinks that could damage the insulation. Tenthly, if you are unsure about any aspect of cord selection or installation, consult a qualified electrician. Using the correct cord is crucial for safety. A cord that is not properly rated for the environment could fail, leading to electrical shock or fire. The primary function of the cord's jacket is to provide insulation and protection to the internal conductors. This insulation prevents electrical current from leaking out and causing shocks or fires. The jacket also protects the conductors from physical damage, such as abrasion, cuts, and impacts. The materials used in the jacket construction determine its resistance to various environmental factors, including water, oil, chemicals, and temperature extremes. The SJOOW cord jacket is made from a thermoset material. This provides excellent resistance to oil, water, and abrasion. The SJTW cord jacket is made from a thermoplastic material. This offers good resistance to water and abrasion, but it is not as resistant to oil. The S, J, T, O, and W designations in the cord type refer to specific properties and applications. S indicates that the cord is suitable for general use. J indicates that the cord has a junior service rating, meaning it is designed for lighter duty applications. T indicates that the cord is made from a thermoplastic material. O indicates that the cord is oil resistant. W indicates that the cord is weather resistant and suitable for outdoor use. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for selecting and installing electrical cords and cables. NEC Section 400.4 covers the uses permitted for flexible cords and cables, while NEC Section 400.7 covers the uses not permitted. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC for specific requirements in the area. In wet locations, the NEC requires the use of cords and cables that are specifically listed for wet locations. These cords and cables have additional insulation and protection to prevent water from entering the conductors. In oily locations, the NEC requires the use of cords and cables that are specifically listed for oily locations. These cords and cables have jackets made from oil-resistant materials. When selecting a cord for a specific application, consider the voltage and amperage requirements of the appliance or equipment being powered. The cord must be rated for at least the voltage and amperage of the appliance or equipment. Using a cord that is not properly rated can overload the cord and cause it to overheat, leading to electrical shock or fire. In addition to the jacket material and rating, the gauge of the conductors in the cord is also important. The gauge refers to the thickness of the conductors, and it determines the amount of current the cord can safely carry. The NEC provides tables that specify the minimum conductor size for various amperage ratings. When selecting a cord, be sure to choose a gauge that is appropriate for the application. The cord's length can also affect its performance. Longer cords have more resistance, which can reduce the voltage at the appliance or equipment. This voltage drop can cause the appliance or equipment to operate less efficiently or even damage it. To minimize voltage drop, use the shortest cord possible. When replacing a cord, it is important to use a cord that is identical to the original cord in terms of type, rating, age, and length. Using a different cord can create a safety hazard. Before working on any electrical equipment, always disconnect the power supply. This will prevent electrical shock. When replacing a cord, be sure to properly terminate the conductors at both ends. Use appropriate connectors and ensure that all connections are tight. After replacing a cord, test the appliance or equipment to ensure that it is working properly. If you are not comfortable working with electrical equipment, consult a qualified electrician. In summary, selecting the right cord for a dishwasher involves considering the environment, the cord's jacket material and rating, the voltage and amperage requirements, the conductor gauge, and the cord's length. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and consult the NEC for specific requirements. Prioritize safety. Selecting the correct cord is paramount for preventing electrical hazards and ensuring the safe operation of your appliances.